Hello you guys, how are you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home and in my house. To God be the glory. Thank God for life. How are you guys doing? Today I quickly want to make some juice because the weather has been so hot. We're already in 40 degrees and it's so hot. And today I just want to make some melon juice. And I have watermelon, I have here my pineapple, apple and lemon. To preserve it you need your lemon. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is get them washed. Let's wash them. Giving to get them washed. Wash and peel. So get them peeled. This is already so soft. So cut it to what your juicer can take. Goes. Now the melon. Remove every seed. Cut it to what your juicer can take. It's a little sweet. Oh wow. Wow. It's so sweet. If possible, try and remove some of the seed, but if not, it removes itself. Just we get enough liquid. Ready to juice now. My juicers are ready, so I'm just going to be pouring it in. pouring it in. You see how creamy it is. The melon seed makes it so creamy. So I'm going to be pouring them in my container so that it goes into the freezer. This will last me for a week plus, and it doesn't get spoiled because it's going into the freezer. Just bring it out when you need it. So it is ready. Here I'm going to cover them up and put them in the freezer. So we just bring them out one after the other when we are ready. So this is well covered. So thank you for staying with me till now. Please do give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe. It looks so creamy, and because of the melon, so it looks so creamy. Trying to, so you can also do this instead of getting yourself juice from the supermarket, and just keep them in your house and live healthy. God bless you. Bye.